Start by clicking Register at the top right corner of the page. Enter your first and last names. Now your email and contact number. Make sure your contact details are accurate. They'll be used to verify your account and by couriers to reach you during delivery. Type in your address, then select your province and city from the drop-down menus. Create a password and confirm it. Tick the checkbox to agree to our privacy policy. Finally, click Create Account. Now log in using your email and password. And that's it, your account is ready. Start by searching for the book you want. Click Add to Cart. Open your cart by clicking the cart icon at the top right corner. At the bottom of the cart, select your city from the drop-down menu. Click Proceed to Checkout. Choose Delivery as your order type, then click Continue. Select your address, then click Continue again. Pick your payment method, then click Continue. If you have any special notes for your order, add them here and click Continue. Review your cart. If everything looks good, click Place Order. Congratulations! You've just placed your first order.